I am posting recipes for the last 3 months now, 3.5 months. I hope you are liking our recipes. If you have not liked our recipes, please let us know what can we do better, what new we can do. और अगर आपने हमारे चैनल को भी सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब टू अस फॉर अमेजिंग रेसिपीज़. वी डू इंडियन रेसिपीज़, वी डू फ्यूजन फूड, वी डू ऑथेंटिक बंगाली फूड. सब्सक्राइब गाइज एंड आई प्रॉमिस यू विल नॉट बी डिसअपॉइंटेड. ओके, तो आज जो है, आज मैं कोई रेसिपी नहीं कर रही हूँ. आई एम डूइंग अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ अ फूड रिव्यू काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग. बेसिकली आज मैं इससे रिव्यू कर रही हूँ. ओके, सो दिस इज एवरीबडी इज क्लोज टू हार्ट. लाइक इंडिया में मैगी पसंद नहीं करने वाले लोग एग्जिस्ट ही नहीं करते, ऐसा मुझे लगता है. आई डोंट नो इफ देयर आर सम पीपल हु डोंट लाइक मैगी, प्लीज कमेंट डाउन बिलो एंड टेल अस व्हाट यू लाइक. सो टुडे आई विल रिव्यू द OG, like the original Maggi, and then this, that is the chicken Maggi, the chicken flavor, like chicken flavor any instant noodles, amazing. So I will be reviewing this, and let me tell you this. So the other day I was like just going through Amazon and I found this amazing flavor. I don't know ये कहाँ मिलता है, मुझे कभी भी मार्केट में नहीं दिखा, but I got this. It is Hong Kong spicy garlic noodles. Garlic is my favorite ingredient. मैं कुछ भी बनाती हूँ, like any kind of noodles, pasta, any dish, I love putting garlic. Obviously Indian food में हर जगह garlic नहीं डलता है, but even if I'm making non-veg, I try to put garlic because I love garlic. So I had to try this. So I will be reviewing the original Maggi, that is this. Then the chicken Maggi, that is this. And then this one. I'm trying it for the first time. Wish me luck. And I will not do anything. I know there are a lot of things that can be done with Maggi, but today I will just make it according to the packet instruction. That is water, the taste maker, and Maggi. That's it. I'm not doing any kind of experiment. I'm just making how they are instructing. Okay. So without any further ado, let's go. 1 cup and half cup. So 1.5 cup. That's it. Okay. So let the water come to a little bit of boil. The water has started to boil and now we will put the taste maker in it. Oh, the yumminess. Okay. And mix it a little bit and then add the Maggi. I just break it into half so that it emulsifies easily and will be done. Oh, sorry. Okay, no problem. And this is almost done. I always cook this in a pan so that ये सॉगी ना हो जाए, वरना इतना सॉगी हो जाता है गाइस, बिल्कुल टेस्ट नहीं लगता फिर खाने में. It is almost done. Just some more seconds and it will be done. Let me clean this place or else my mother will come and give me a good scolding. कितना गंदा किया है. And it's done. and let's plate it. Let's get this in a bowl. Oh my goodness, it's good. It's good. Okay, yeah. Sorry guys, I'm a bit messy. Okay, wait, let me just put this here and get this up. And yeah, it looks great. And that's it. So yeah, that's it. We will keep it aside and we will go for the next one. This is the spicy garlic one. Okay, so this one, it is the Hong Kong spicy garlic noodles, and this is our chicken one, Maggi chicken noodles, and this is the original one. Quantity wise सब same ही है. I don't know ये थोड़ा कम क्यों लग रहा है. I don't know. This is this one, the original one. यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है 2 minutes noodles, but this never happens in 2 minutes. Never. Anyways, the taste is good, the quantity is good, the price is cheap. That 2-minute thing can be left. Okay, so which one I'll start? Okay, I should do akkad wakkad? Nahi, I will start from the most experiment one. So okay, let's take a big bite. I'm smelling it first. That is my habit. I always smell food first. This smells of red chili and not garlic. Let's see. It has no texture of spiciness. Like my spice level is from 1 to 10. I can tolerate only 1. Even if it is 1.5, I will start crying. I can't have spicy food, but this is not spicy at all. This is good. One more bite. It's good. Give it a try. Please give it a try. It's good. Not very good, but good. Next we will try is our, it'll become a little bit soggy, the chicken one. Smells of chicken soup. Chicken soup that we make at home. This is that. Taste of chicken soup. Amazing. Please, if anyone has not tried this, give it a try. This is good. And next we'll go to the original one. This has become the dabba wala Maggi, the tiffin box Maggi that we used to take at school. और सुबह मम्मा बना के देती थी और like 1:30 to 2 o'clock जब होता था टिफिन तो this is the डब्बा thing. Original Maggi, guys. Close to the heart, brings nostalgia back, brings memories back. That's it, guys. I loved all of them. This is obviously close to the heart. This is amazing. Give it a try. This is worth the money. Like this one cost me, the printed price is 23, but I got it at 20 rupees and 56 paisas on Big Basket. This is also available on Amazon. Amazon it is charging 23 only. When I bought it was 23. I don't know now if there is any offers. I will give links to all of these from Amazon. Give it a try. I will give the links in the description box. Give it a try. It's good. This is a bit spicy for people like me who cannot have spicy food at all. जिनके लिए spicy food का tolerance is 0, a big 0. You can try. थोड़ा spicy है but बहुत tasty है. This please try this. This is amazing. And the original Maggi. I mean इसके बारे में क्या बोले? ये तो बस ये अपना है यार. This is our own. This is our family member. इसके बारे में कुछ नहीं बोल सकते. ये बस अपना है. Okay, that's it for the day, guys. अगर आपको पसंद आया, if you have liked my reviewing skills, please गिव दिस वीडियो अ बिग थम्स अप एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल। अगर आपने अभी भी सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा, इट्स बहुत अच्छा लगता है। और मैं और बहुत अमेजिंग रेसिपीज़ डालती रहूँगी। दुर्गा पूजा इज़ कमिंग, तो देयर इज़ a little bit a big surprise. This puja month is gonna be full of surprises. Keep watching. Stay good, stay healthy, eat amazing food. Bye bye.